Challenge yourself to become a better photographer in 30 days. Challenge number 24 is numbers. Now, numbers is, you can go two ways with it. You can either do what I call a straight up method of just taking pictures of things that are actually numbers, or two, you can take pictures of things that resemble numbers. Let's address that first one. Just take, for instance, somebody that's address on their home. Sometimes they get the thicker numbers, maybe whether they're plastic or metal, and maybe you can catch it in such an angle where the light's just hitting it a certain way, gives it a little bit more depth, and the shadow is being cast on the wall or whatever object it is. And so that's one way to capture a feeling in a photo. And by the way, if you want to check out our video challenge on shadows, it's right up here. We'll look for you to see that. And also maybe just even on mailboxes. People can take stickers and arrange them in such a way so that they're pretty cool. A lot of people like to see like highway signs. Maybe they have that emblem, a highway like I-95, I-10, things like that. Maybe a collection of those, and you could, make a collage in Photoshop if you like. But just kind of giving that idea of a bunch of numbers, license plates, things like that. The second approach is a little bit more artistic and a little bit more abstract. If you see something that grows in such a shape it looks like a number 2, or maybe you see a design on some type of animal that comes in what you might say is the number of 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever it is, that's one way. Another way is to, maybe you're into off-roading and somebody has one of those four-wheelers and they're just, going around doing donuts. Well, that's a 0. Are you into ice skating? You could do that. You could. I remember when I was younger, they had one of those after-school specials teaching kids their numbers, and one of them was an ice skater that showed you how basically to do the number 8 or the figure 8 or infinity is the other way they did it. But there again, there's an opportunity to capture numbers without actually getting the straight-up method of numbers. The points of these challenges are to help you think outside the box and try to convey something to your audience that is out of the norm, something that they don't normally see, to get them thinking as well. So, as always, challenge yourself to become a better photographer every day.